I'm going to show you the toastie. A toastie is not just that soft bread sandwich that by lunchtime gets squished and, well, soggy sometimes. What I've done is I've lightly toasted whole grain sandwich bread, but this works with any kind of sandwich bread that you use at home. If you use items like lettuce or ham that's typically wet, it's not going to seep through and have like a soggy sandwich by lunch. So let's make the toastie. And I'm just going to simply spread mayo on one side of our bread. So I'm also gonna add mustard to the sandwich. I'm a mustard person. Let me know in the comments below the video. Now, a lot of people say that they just throw stuff in a sandwich. There is an order to make sure that your sandwich isn't soggied up. I am not adding tomatoes today, but if I were to add tomatoes, I'm going to tell you exactly where to place them so the tomato juice doesn't go through the ham. So to the mustard, I'm going to add my ham on that side right here. And after the ham, I'm just going to add cheese. So that's how you sort of like layer it up. I also have some lettuce. The lettuce, you want to place it on the mayo side, okay? So if you're adding tomatoes to your sandwich, you would put the sliced tomatoes on top of the cheese. So the cheese builds a barrier between the tomatoes and the next ingredients and the bread. So I'm just gonna add my crisp lettuce leaves right onto this side, on the mayo side, and slice my sandwich in half, which I'm just simply going to pack in a lunchbox right here. All of a sudden, you just up the game on the classic ham and cheese sandwich. See you next time.